Hey everybody, it's Ashley. I'm currently at the airport right now with my best friend Holly, and we are currently on our way to Paris. I really wanted to make this video because I want to show you all my favorite spots to eat in Paris. I'm really excited to try these places out. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If I missed any spots, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to know what your favorite spots are, what spots I might have missed. Happy Cow was definitely me and Holly's best friend during this trip. Happy Cow is an app that tells you the closest vegan restaurant near you, and it just really helped us along our trip. If you'd like to see more content like this, please let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, I will see you in my next video.